All the bilubilos! Colorful bilubilos! Yan na ang ating napakasarap na ginataang bilubilos ala Merlinda. Well done! Yeah. Hello, hello, hello! Good morning, or good afternoon, good evening to everybody around the world. So for today, we're gonna have open house here in GCM Salad Master. Of course, I'm gonna cook. Hulaan nyo, my menu with langka. As you can see, all the ingredients is here, nakalatag na. So for cooking bilo-bilo, ginataang bilo-bilo, you're gonna use a 10-quart Salad Master. It's big pot because it's gonna be a lot. And I bought a fresh jackfruit, ripe jackfruit, taro, 3 pieces of taro, medium size, and large size of sweet potato or kamote, raw cassava, but it's peeled off already because it's frozen, and purple yam or ubi in Tagalog, I got 2 packs, and brown sugar because brown sugar is the healthiest one among the other color of sugar. Of course, banana, it's frozen also. And because I have cuts on my finger, so I don't wanna, and this is happened this morning, the both sides. So I have here, so I don't wanna make a dough of bilo-bilo or glutinous. Instead, I bought a frozen one already. It's ready to pack. And also, the most important when you are making bilo-bilo, this is like equivalent of 5 or 6 cans of coconut milk. If you are in the Philippines, it's better the fresh coconut. It's more delicious. But this one is gonna be delicious because I am the chef. And you wanna know how much the price, guys, for this one? This is only one dish. It's $64.74, guys. So that's how it is here in Vancouver, Canada. It's very expensive living. So if you are Filipino wants to really come here in Vancouver, Canada, you have to think it many times if you can afford the way of daily living here. See, it's only ginataang bilo-bilo. In Philippine money, you're gonna say, oh, that's very expensive. Yes, it's worth 2,500 or 2,600 pesos in the Philippines. So it's a big money in the Philippines, right? It's like half of your paycheck for the month. For those people that in working in a low area, not low area, low salary. Sorry for my wrong words. So guys, let's start. First, I'm gonna peel the kamote or sweet potato and the taro, and also I'm not gonna use the whole thing of this kind of maybe 5 pounds or 4 pounds, I'm not sure. Per pound of this is like $2.47. See guys, yung 1 kilo ng langka in Tagalog, kung i-transfer nyo sa Philippine money ay nagkakahalaga ng mga 250 to 300 pesos. 1 kilo lang yan ng langka. Kasi 2.2 pounds yung 1 kilo. So ito more or less 2 to 3 kilos. So yan po, ganyang kamahal ang cost of living here in Vancouver, Canada. Now we're gonna put the coconut milk on a 10-quart Salad Master cookware, top stove or stove top. It's up to you guys how you gonna pronounce it, top stove or stove top. Shake, 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 body, body dancer tonight. Ano po yun? Well, lagyan ko ng grapes. And of course, we're gonna add the sugar kasi papakuluan na natin siya. So kalahati muna. Mamaya na ang iba kapag matabang pa. At to blend the natural and delicious taste of fresh langka, we gonna add also para makuluan siyang mabuti. At syempre, isasalang ko na ito para kumulo. So, we have to boil it. First, the coconut milk with sugar. And then, when it's boiling, we can add the all ingredients that we need in this ginataang bilo-bilo cooking. So, and also, we're gonna add also some salt, pinch of salt. To make it, para hindi siya nakakasawang kainin. And also, the last we're gonna add is the purple yam and banana saba. So now it's boiling already. We're gonna add all the root crab, sweet potato, taro, and cassava. And then we're gonna add also the glutinous bilo-bilo mixed with rice flour. So it's a 2-pack for this cooking 10 quart salad master cookware. And of course, we have to stir it gently so it doesn't stick on the bottom. Close the lid and let it boil again for a few minutes. Then, we're gonna add the last additional ingredients when it's boiling. And we have to add also this sago. Sago, it's kind of this sago, we use it for dessert as well. Mostly Filipino, they add this sago. So, this sago is prepared already. And it's stuck up in the fridge, so we have to use this. So, we have to add the purple yam because it's boiling already. The coconut milk. Now, add also the banana saba, frozen banana saba from the store because we don't have fresh banana from the banana tree. So, we have to add the frozen banana, but it was defrost already. And now, we are gonna add the sago or the what you call it in English. So bahala na kayo guys mag-isip kung ano sa English ang sago ha. It was cooked already, this sago. Usually we cook that, but it's prepared already. And now we're gonna add a little bit salt. 2 pinches of salt or 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Para hindi siya magkaroon ng umay. Sa Tagalog kasi umay. Once too much coconut milk. So we use 3 big boxes of coconut milk. In cans, either it's 8 cans to 9 cans of coconut milk because we use the 8 quarts, we use the 10 quart salad master stove top or top stove cookware. So it's very delicious, guys. I tried already, and we gonna add a little bit more sugar because it was not sweet. So this is dessert, guys. This is a ginataang bilo-bilo Bicolano style. So pure coconut milk, all we use. Mostly Tagalog people or people in Tagalog region, they cook first the root crops on a water. But I am a Bicolano Oragon from Bicol province or Legazpi City, Albay. We always do cooking in a pure coconut milk. So that's how we cook our ginataang bilo-bilo with many root crops. So ayan na ang ating napakasarap na ginataang bilo-bilo ala Merlinda. Well done. Diba? Have another red chef here. Ayan, yan ang kanyang niluluto. Niluluto sa sangkalan ang salad, Caesar salad. Caesar salad ala Jason Reyes. At ito naman ang specialty ni Jason Reyes.